How distant is it? Good morning. I'm proud today to announce the selection of Beck Gibson as the new Commissioner for Precinct 2. His swearing in will take place Monday at the regular Kerr County Commissioners Court meeting. This appointment was necessary as a result of Tom Moser's retirement when he moved out of Precinct 2. He has served the county since, I believe, 2012 with distinction and has a long list of accomplishments for which we commend. The selection process has been very rigorous. Commissioner Moser announced on June 22nd that he was going to retire, and since then we took applications and visited with people and listened to recommendations, both letters and emails and text. 21 official candidates applied, and at least 5 or 6 more expressed interest, and it was quite impressive, and these were very, very well qualified applicants. This has been a rigorous and transparent process, but I am happy to say that we got input from the community. I got input from the court, and there was a general consensus of the 4 finalists that we selected and that I interviewed. It was a difficult choice, but I elected to appoint Beck because of his vast knowledge and experience in real estate development, which I believe to be the most significant challenge to Precinct 2 in the coming months. He is an appraiser and broker in Kerr County since 1979, a graduate of Texas Tech, a decorated U.S. Army helicopter pilot. He has chaired the Planning and Zoning Commission for the City of Kerrville, been the president of UGRA, is a court-appointed special commissioner for condemnations and partitions, and he is also a counselor and consultant for big ranch family partitions. And besides that, for those of you that don't know, his father wrote O Yeller. That said, in making this decision, what I like to do is what I've done as a real estate and commercial trial lawyer for 40 plus years, is surround myself with the best and the brightest, people that are smarter than me. And Beck is the go-to person in real estate. And I can tell you that personally because I have used him. And I can tell you, he is the man that we need at our bench right here in this court to help us as we deal with development going forward. He will serve an unexpired term from when he's sworn in on Monday, the 23rd, until the new commissioner is elected in November of 2022. I deliberately chose the 4 finalists from those who had not declared their candidacy. And I did that because Kerr County needs an active commissioner in Precinct 2 right now. There's a coming wave of new proposed developments in East Kerr County, and it's here now. We can't wait until November of 22. We need a steady hand at the wheel now, and Beck is that steady hand. And while the declared candidates are battling on the campaign trail, Beck will be rolling up his sleeves and helping us finalize our subdivision rules and review these proposed developments. When I interviewed the 4 finalists, I specifically inquired of each of them, if I did not appoint them to this position, would they still be willing to help us with the subdivision rules and these developments and water availability? And they unanimously agreed. We need to revise our 2007 subdivision rules and get them adopted now before all the developers show up. I'm proud to appoint Beck as the Commissioner for Precinct 2. He is the senior and most experienced of the 4 finalists and a proven leader in his field and dedicated to the future of Kerr County and Precinct 2. I am also announcing that the other 3 finalists have agreed to advise and consult with me and Beck regarding the subdivision rules and the future proposed developments. Beck and I will liaise with them, 3 of them. They are Chris Childs, who is an expert on water issues and development, Kayla Hale, who is Texas A&M civil engineer that worked for an engineering company in San Antonio that represented developers. And Mark Hoffler, who is a longtime resident of Kerr County and rancher, and a retired banker that understands the feasibility of these developments. I look forward to working with Beck and our new special consultants, plus our team here at the county. I would be remiss if I did not mention Charlie Hastings and our engineering department that do an excellent job. Heather Stebbins, our county attorney's office, along with our outside counsel that keep us coloring between the lines. And Jonathan Letts, who is the author of our existing subdivision rules and is immensely helpful in forging the new ones as we go forward. As we confront the challenge of development and growth in East Kerr County, I can tell you that Beck is the right man at the right time to steer Kerr County and Precinct 2 through these development issues. And I promise you, Kerr County and Precinct 2 are in good hands. Thank you. For those of you who want to see the official press release, it will be posted on our website shortly. That will conclude my remarks. Thank you.